Yeah, I'm Jim Yamo, Executive Director, Elephant River Center. I started the walk from Mombasa on 9th to today, 23rd. It has not been an easy walk. Temperatures has been very high, but I've been able to really create awareness on elephant poaching, elephant conservation, and I've learned a lot from people, different sectors, police, civil society, schools, young people, motorbike people, and 90% of all those people I talk to, they don't have information about the elephant in this country. Not only the elephant, even the wildlife in this country. And that trickle down to issues on ignorance, issues on how they participate in the conservation if they have no information about even their vulnerabilities and even what we have. So I'm very happy that my vision, my dream came out to be that a walk can be done, and not only just a walk, but creating awareness. We've been able to talk to over 4,000 people, and these people, we left them better than they were. They are now more informed. They have information. They are now able to take action. If a man can walk for the elephants, actually one man in Voi asked me, which role do you think I should play in ensuring elephant conservation or elephant are safe? And I told him, the only thing I need you to do is just talk about the elephant to your village mate, to people. Let them know that this poaching is not done by foreigners. It's done by us, and the resources belongs to us. I look forward to continue this engagement, and I'm ready to walk to other areas like in Asian countries, Europe countries, and even in the US until this message is at home. We've been telling the world that Kenya has, the number of elephants in Kenya is increasing. But now we need now to go back and tell them the number of elephants in Africa, in Kenya, is reducing, and they need to come back to us and support us where we think we can.
What is the population of elephants?
The Kenyan population today is at 5,000, and we are losing nearly 5 elephants per day. And the highest population is in Tsavo with 11,000 elephants. Laikipia Samburu is the second with 6,000. Those other areas are just but a drop of the population, like in Tsavo, like in Mara, like in Abose. And the worst scenario is the mortality rate is 4%, and the growth rate is 2% per annum in Kenya. That means we are losing more than we are getting. It will take us another maybe 15 years. The poachers have killed the big elephants, the big males, and even the big females. An elephant begin giving birth 30 years. I'm not sure whether we have many elephants now which are that years. So we might now begin getting a population going up, maybe after 10 years. If again nothing is going to be done, instead of having a population going up, we'll have no elephant in this country. So it is so sad, and we have to tell people that whenever they see elephant, let's try and respect them. Let us value them, their resources.
Thank you.